guys, long time no see. Well, I have been missing in action since last 2 weeks, but that is because I was busy in a wedding, and a week after that I was literally swamped with my office work. But now I am back, and I am back with some super easy cement DIYs yet again. Well, I have bora full of cement in my stash and I really want to finish it. So I thought let's do another batch of cement projects, and I swear to you each one of them literally took 10 minutes of my time and not more than that. So I really recommend you to try these, and let's get started. For each of these projects you need cement, white or grey whichever. Mix it with water till it has thick consistency. I'm taking this branch of a tree, I found it in my society garden, a use and throw food packaging box. Remember to coat it with oil, it helps when you are taking out the cement once it is all dried out. I'm going to pour this cement in the food box until I get the desired height. And then put the branch inside the cement. Hold it for a few seconds in one place and then put a stick or something to give it a little support so that it stays in the center. I let it dry overnight and took it out the next morning. Since we coated it with oil in the beginning, it is very easy to remove it. You can smoothen the surface using sandpaper if you feel the need. Here I am just masking the cement stand and I will spray paint the branch. आप ब्रांच को पहले स्प्रे पेंट करके एंड देन लगा सकते हो उसको सीमेंट पे. दैट विल मेक मोर सेंस, बट आई काइंड ऑफ फॉरगॉट टू डू इट बिफोर. एंड हियर वी हैव आवर सस्ता सुंदर टिकाऊ jewelry stand ready. Keeping the chains tangle free is one of my pain points. They are always tangled and whenever I want to wear them, I do not have patience to detangle them. This is the best way to hang them to avoid that scene altogether, and the bonus is that it looks really pretty. Next up, we are making a spoon and napkin stand. I am taking this use and throw food box and coating it with oil. I will then pour the cement in it. Fill it according to your desired height. And then just tap it a little bit so that it is evenly distributed. I am taking a small Bisleri bottle and just cutting the top part of it using scissors. I'm taking this bottle and I filled it with pebbles so that it's heavy, and I'll just insert the bottle in the cement. I also had this small earring cardboard box. I am going to insert it on the side. Always remember to leave a little gap while you fill your cement in the box, because the cement will rise once you insert anything into it. Let it dry overnight or more. Next morning I took the cardboard box out. I'm using the scissors to cut the food box. I won't be taking out the bottle, instead I'll just cut the top part which is visible, and that is all. Well, I kind of like it as it is. It looks really raw and pretty. But I'm still going to paint the lower half with this color. This is Tuscan teal from Itsy Bitsy. I'm going to paint it with this color because my spoons are of teal color. Super easy. I am just taking the food box and coating it with oil. The process is all the same. Cutting the bottle from the top again and putting it in the center of the food box.
I'm just pouring the cement on the sides. It is very easy to take it out if your box was oiled before. Now I'm just masking it randomly. I will spray paint it and let it dry for a few hours. Okay, so next one is actually a failed experiment, but I still want to show you what went wrong and what you can do instead to avoid the failure. I took this surgical glove, which by the way is the first mistake. It might work for you, but try to take the rubber glove instead. I then poured the cement in the glove, making sure that all the corners are properly filled with cement. I put a little weight in the middle and I gave the fingers a little support from the back so that they are elevated. I also put the rubber band on the bottom so that the cement does not come out. And then I did a major boo-boo. I cut the gloves on the very next morning and it wasn't even dry yet. But I cut it and the fingers just came off. The lesson to learn here is that if you're using grey cement, do let it dry for more than a day, maybe take 2 days. Grey cement takes time to settle, but if you're using white cement, it just takes few hours to dry out. So in case you plan to make it, don't be impatient like me and give it time to dry fully.
So if you guys like today's video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel. And if you have not seen another one of my cement DIY video, it is right here on my screen. Do check that out and I'll see you next week. Bye.